Giuseppe's Marketplace with Franklin. And when Franklin is here, it means one thing, cheese. Cheese is here. So what are we making today, Franklin?
A poached pear with vanilla mascarpone and raw Creamery Brutal Blue.
That's great. And it's fancy, but it's easy.
So we're gonna peel the pear.
Peel the pear. Say it 3 times fast.
Peel the pear, peel the pear. That's it, peel the pear. Have some fun. Ice cream scoop, nothing too fancy. The pear should be able to do it. I'm doing it in a circular motion and creating a space there. BelGioioso Vanilla Mascarpone, right in the center.
Just like that.
A little bit of raw Creamery Brutal Blue.
Is it brutal?
It's brutal.
Brutal, brutally good.
Spicy, creamy. We can do a little pistachio before here. This is gonna be red wine, cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg. If you're presenting to your guests, a little mint there. An amazing summer treat for your family and your guests.
Absolutely, couldn't be easier, and it's elevated, and your guests will love it. So go ahead and try it. Head to our website, newsfelt.com. You'll find the recipe for all of this right there. Franklin, thank you.
My pleasure, thank you.